Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Icon Fabric Manager Chair Assembly Guide. Included in the box are seat pad with mechanism attached, backrest, a pair of arms, 5-star base, gastroc, 5 casters, 1 Allen key, 6 25mm bolts, 4 18mm bolts. The bolts are pre-inserted into their respective holes to prevent them from getting lost during transit. Use the Allen key provided to remove these. To start, take the 5-star base and insert the casters into the holes, pushing firmly until they click. Turn the base over and drop the gas strut into the centre. Place the seat fabric side down and attach the backrest using the 4 18mm bolts. Once all the bolts are inserted, you can tighten them up. Next, attach the arms to the seat pad using the 6 25mm bolts. We recommend you use the Allen key provided and not an electric screwdriver, as this can strip the threads. Again, do not fully tighten these bolts until they're all inserted. Next, with the help of another person, lift the chair onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. Please keep the Allen key to check the bolts every 6 months to ensure they're tight, and tighten any if they've come loose. And there you have it! Your new Icon Fabric Manager chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.